In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a test issue type in Jira. This process is essential for those who want to effectively manage and track testing tasks within their projects. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll need to head over to the Jira settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find typically in the upper right corner of your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to select Issues from the options presented. This section is where you can manage all types of issues for your projects, including adding, modifying, and organizing them according to your needs. Next, you'll see an option to add issue type. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to create a new issue that fits the unique requirements of your project. Now, it's time to give your new issue type a name. This could be something straightforward like test, or perhaps test case or test execution, depending on the specific nature of your testing needs. Naming it correctly will help in quickly identifying the issue type when navigating through your project. Once you've settled on a name, you can also choose to add a description. While this is optional, providing a description can be incredibly helpful, especially for team members who might be new to the project or unfamiliar with the naming conventions you've chosen. After establishing the name and description, you need to decide on the type of issue you're creating. Jira allows you to choose between a standard issue or a subtask. The choice between the two can impact how you organize tasks within larger projects, so be sure to select the option that aligns best with your project management approach. With these details in place, click Add to create your new issue type. Don't worry if you need to make changes later, Jira allows for plenty of flexibility. Now, to ensure your new issue type is usable in your project, you'll need to associate it with a project. Start by navigating to Issue Type Schemes. These schemes act as templates to control which issue types are available to your projects. Locate the scheme associated with your project. If you're unsure which one it is, you can verify this in the project settings. Once you've found the correct scheme, click Edit. Here, you'll see a list of available issue types. Simply drag and drop your newly created test issue type from the available list into the current scheme. Finally, hit Save to apply your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a test issue type in Jira, making your project management all the more efficient.